parents and families. My name is Miss Dryden. I'm the Spanish teacher at Comstock, and I'm going to quickly show you guys how to check grades in Infinite Campus and how to find missing assignments on Google Classroom. Teachers right now are using Infinite Campus to enter grades, but all the assignments are coming through to you and to your students on Google Classroom. So today I'm going to show you how to navigate both domains and what you can get from both. So first off, in terms of checking your student grades, you need to check your students' grades on Infinite Campus rather than Google Classroom. Google Classroom isn't set up to calculate grades correctly like Infinite Campus is for students. So once you type in Infinite Campus in your browser, it will ask you to enter the name of the school and the state, and then it will ask if you would like a student login or a parent login. I'm a teacher, so my login looks a little bit different, but I'm going to do the best I can to show you how to get into Infinite Campus and where to find missing assignments and grades. So you will log into Infinite Campus, and your screen will look a little bit more like this, something like this. Now, you will click the 3 ellipses in the corner for a drop-down menu. On the drop-down menu, you should see something like grades, messages, something like that. Then, once you click on grades, you will see a list of all of your classes. Your screen will look like this. Grades, and then a progress report for all of your classes. Now, if you go over here to where it says the grade and it says in progress, there's a little arrow. You'll click on that arrow to get a detailed description of the class grade and the different categories that are being graded on. The different categories are assessments, classwork, and participation. Now, if you're trying to find missing assignments or to get a detailed look on what you got for each assignment, you'll click on this classwork tab and you'll click on the little plus arrow in the corner right here. Now, once you click on the little plus arrow, you will see a detailed list of missing assignments, late assignments, turned in assignments, and then their specific scores as well. So that's how you find what is accurately missing for your student or for you if you are the student on on Infinite Campus. Now, where do you find these assignments to actually complete them? The assignments to be completed are found in Google Classroom. So you'll hop on over to Google Classroom. This is what your student's Google Classroom should look like, something like this. Let's pretend your student is in my first hour Spanish class. First, hold on. A lot of students are going to these 3 ellipses and looking for to do, and a lot of parents are also looking through to do. Now, most parents are concerned with what is my student missing or what does my student have to do. So a lot of parents are going to the missing tab and finding that they can't find certain assignments that are marked as missing on Infinite Campus. They can't find them missing here on Google Classroom. Or on Google Classroom, it says an assignment isn't missing. So on Google Classroom, the students have the option to submit assignments that are incomplete. Let me show you an example. If I go to my second hour Spanish and classwork, I know that today my students need to complete this Google Slides. Now, I have given each student a copy and I ask them to complete it. They can click on it, they can see it, and they can either choose to do it or they can choose to click turn in even though it's incomplete. So your students have the options to submit work, and that work will not show up in their missing category because they have submitted it. Even though it's not done, they have submitted it and it looks like it is no longer missing. So if you are looking for missing work for your student that they submitted, even though it was incomplete, I would recommend looking in the Done folder. Once you browse through the Done folder, you can find assignments that had no due date, assignments that were done early, assignments that the students did this week, assignments from last week, and then assignments from all of the weeks prior. Turned in or not, you will be able to find assignments here. This is where you will also find assignments that are marked missing on Infinite Campus. Your students, again, have the ability to turn in assignments that are not completed in order to get them out of their missing folder. So if you are sitting with your student and trying to help them find homework and you can't find it on Google Classroom, again, please look through the done folder to find specific assignments that might not be completed. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your teachers. Yes, we're happy to help you.